Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I interview a person from SRM Institute of Technology, Chennai. So his name is Rahul Krishnan. So he has been working at Infosys from last 3 months. So as soon as completed final year, he got placement in Infosys, guys. So in today's video, I just interview all kind of questions like how did you get in placement? So what are things he has been preparing from last 3 years? So how did college help? Like how did college play a role in getting like this kind of placements to him? Before getting into like Infosys, he applied for so many, like I guess like around he has been applied for 5 companies. So they are like TCS, Sutherland companies, some BPOs companies, but he didn't select over there. So even he just spoke about what are drawbacks he has in place be applying those internships, what are things he have been learned from those internships before getting started in Infosys, guys. So if a person who wants to start a career in Infosys, then this video is going to be like much useful for you guys. So don't skip the video, watch till end, guys. So as guys, now let's get into video, guys. So before getting into video, do make sure to follow me on Instagram, make sure to subscribe my channel for more videos, guys. Do subscribe, it keep motivation to do more videos, guys. Let's get started. So hey guys, so we have on board Rahul Krishnan. So he's from SRM Institute of Technology. So like as an introduce about and the starting of video, so he's going to introduce about itself, guys. So Rahul, can you introduce about yourself in a quick manner?
Yeah, hi everyone. My name is Rahul Krishnan. I'm from Chennai. I'm 20 years old. I have recently passed out in 2021. I have completed basic graduation. Yeah, that's all about me.
So as well, like I guess like you are in like computer arts, like you are not from engineering, you're from arts department. So could you share the explain like difference between arts and science? So like so why did you choose arts department when compared to engineering?
Yeah, actually I took means I'm not interested in engineering, so I took arts. Like not it's arts, but it's science, computer science. Like I'm interested in computer application, so I took this course. So yeah, my brother also insisted me like do this course. You can definitely cope up with it. So I took this course.
Yeah, absolutely fine, man. I'm really happy for your workplace in Infosys. So like you're from a tier 1 college in Chennai. So SRM is like great institute in Chennai. So could you share your experience of your 3 years college life? So what are the things you learned from the first year, second year, third year? So like you might be learning so many things like in a college. Could you share explain like experience of a college?
Yeah. I studied at SRM Institute of Science and Technology. It is situated in Vadapalni. It started in 2018. Actually, we have started the same batch, right? Like you also started in engineering, like in our, yeah. It was pretty good in the first year. We had no experiences. It was great while entering into college life. The first 2 years, what it was like offline, and then a lot of things we have learned was great. On the third year, it is like online mode, but it was okay, not too bad. It was great, and the exam was also in the online mode, so it was okay.
So hey bro, that was a good experience of a 3 years college life. So like can you start your beginning like like you got placed in Infosys. So could you start what are the things you have been prepared for getting a placement? So which year like like every student starting the free final year to getting selected for placement. So can you share me like which year you started preparing for placement? So what are things you've been starting before applying to Infosys, bro? Can you share those experience? So bro.
Yeah, Jayant. I got this offer through placement only. Like Superset offered me this like Infosys. It was great. Means first of all, we have to understand what is the procedure, like how they are recruiting us. First, we need to register on the Infosys website about what is the role. Like for the BS and BC graduates, it will be mostly operation executive, and then for the engineer, it will be system engineer. So my role is on the operation executive. So we need to understand what is the process about. Like first, it will be like the company will be shortlisting you, and then secondly, you will be having an online assessment, and then thirdly, you will be getting the virtual HR, technical and HR round. After that, you will be getting offer letters. First, I will start from the online assessment, because most of us will be first with the preliminary round, right? First, we need to understand what are the sections in the online assessment. Firstly, it will be the sections we have to understand. There are 3 sections. Can I explain in elaborate?
Yeah, you can explain here.
Yeah. Firstly, there are 3 sections in the online assessment. First section is about the quantitative aptitude. Most of us will be a problem in max. It contains 10 questions yeah, about around 10 questions. And then next, the logical reasoning section, it contains 15 questions. And then the finally the verbal ability section, it contains a huge amount, like 40 questions. So overall, we will be getting around 65 questions, and we will be having 95 minutes to complete it. It's damn enough for means attending all the questions. One main thing is that we have to attend all the sections with equally, because there is a sectional cutoff. The last year in 2020, the eligibility criteria for clearing this round, it is around 60%. So we should score more than 60 so to get into the technical and HR round. And one more good thing is that we don't have negative marking, so it's good to we have to attend all the questions around the process. And then the process takes we should be too patient while under this recruitment, because it takes a lot in time, like it takes nearly 5 to 6 months, even 7 months. I got the offer letter on the 7 month only. It was too hesitate, but we should be patient.
So hey, what a good experience. So like, could you share me like how much time it took for preparing those kind of tests? So what are the questions they meant, like what are the types of questions they've been asking for the interview section? So could you share more about it?
Yeah, I took around 1 month. It's damn enough to prepare all these sections, because we need to attend all these sections with equal. That's enough. We have to attend all the questions. So when we take on like quantitative aptitude, we should be strong in the basic concepts, like what are all we studied in the schooling, that will be asked most probably, like the concept of percentage, average, and like that profit loss, like that the questions will be. In the logical reasoning section, it will be like you will be getting questions on puzzles, and then the seating arrangement. And then finally, the verbal ability, we will be getting the reading comprehension, synonym, antonyms, and slightly related grammars. That's it. That's enough. And then I do not took any mock test. I just refer some YouTube videos, and that's enough. Because like how they will approach us, how we have to approach all the questions in the test. That's enough. I did not take any mock test during like preparing.
So yeah, that's a great bro. Like, could you share me like what's after completing mock test? Shows the next process. Like you might be have some second round process. So could you share me what's the round after completing mock?
Yeah. After the successful completion of the online assessment, it will be nearly 2 to 3 months for the technical HR round. So we'll be getting one day that you will be having an HR round. It will be around 1 week of time. The mail will come, and in the technical HR round, the technical HR will be one round, and then on the technical HR round, you should be strong in the basic concepts, like what are all we studied in the last 3 years, like the concept of loops, inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation, like that. The concept will be you have to be strong in the basic concepts, and then the interviewer may be asked anything, like he can ask anything from the basic concepts. You need to be strong in the basic concept. That's enough. And then he will be raising questions on like a case study. He will give a case, and we have to, how we are responding to it. He will be asking. Yeah, that's about the technical and HR round. And one more thing is that we should clearly give an introduction about yourself. Like this is the major question. Like while starting an interview, introduce about yourself. That's the main thing. We have to, it should not take a long duration while explaining about ourselves. Like it should take only 45 to 1 minute, 45 seconds to 1 minute. That's enough. On that duration, we have to cover all the things about ourselves, like about our name, our college, our short-term goals and long-term goals, and our hobbies, etc. We have to cover all the things on that 45 to 60 seconds.
So that was great, bro. Like, did you face a difficult while attending this interview? Like, like many people like fail in this kind of HR interviews. So did you face any
Yeah.
kind of experience? Could you share me like what a difficult you face when attending this HR interviews?
Yeah, while attending in the Infosys, that was not my first interview. I have already attended 3 interviews. It was my 4th interview. What are all the mistakes I made on my last 3 interviews? I rectified them in the, like, I not given a proper thing while introducing myself. I rectified them, and then like what are the basic concepts while we studied under the 3 years. took and like I have revision all the basic concept and basic definitions, because the interviewer may be asking questions on the basic only, because he requires the basic person, like he will be giving training, right? As we are all other freshers, so he does not require a perfect guy, but you need to know all the things like basic information. That's enough for an interview to choose you.
Okay, you just mentioned about like those kind of programming basic stuff, right? So like inheritance.
Yeah,
So like they ask you to solve the questions, or they will asking like some kind of like question and answer section, or you need to solve those kind of code.
yeah.
So it's like, can you explain like you need to solve those kind of questions, or you just like question and type answers?
No, I did not literally get the coding, because I was just getting the basic questions like the concept of hoops. We need I need to explain it in an elaborate, like what are the concept of hoops, and then after finishing, he will be repeating next, giving the shooting the next question, like what is algorithm, what is RDMS, what are the OS layers of networking, and then yeah, testing, what is the meaning of testing and types of testing. I get nearly 12 to 15 questions on the basic, and then finally after completing this 15 questions only, I am able to get the that case study. He given a situation, like the he will be giving a situation, how we are responding to it, and finally he will means after telling our solution, like what is the procedure for that solution, he will be why you did, so you or what you have done, if it is not possible, like that he will be raising the questions. Yeah, that's enough. That's all about the technical HR round. It
It's
takes
awesome.
nearly it nearly take 15 to 20 minutes. The interview will rapidly move on to the next question. He will not give breaks in between while asking the questions. You should
Yeah,
be to fluency, like you should be so sharp, so you will be getting to answer.
that's awesome, bro. Like next question
Yeah,
is that like did you take any kind of courses before applying to internship? So I have seen so many students taking some kind of language courses before applying to this. So did you take any courses, or else like you managed with college stuff itself?
yeah. Actually, we did not have any internships on the final year because it was totally on the online. So the college offered us to take NPTEL courses, which is offered by the IIT. So we did a course in cloud management, yeah, Google Cloud. So we have attended the test, and we have got the certificates. In the concept of in the topic of Google Cloud Computing.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's amazing, bro. Like, could you share me like I know like they're in tier two college student, like they won't able to get these kind of opportunities. So as a tier one college, like how the college plays a major role in getting this kind of companies into the campus to get like I have seen like so many students got placement in tier one college and compared to tier two college. So could you share your
yeah,
experience like how college plays a like getting a huge role in getting placements in your college?
yeah. The college is giving a great offer like this, because under SRM we are having a technology like application called Superset. It gives around most of like Naukri.com and LinkedIn, like Google, right? Like that, we are having a application called Superset. It will be giving around most of the companies, like after getting selected me in Infosys, around 30 companies approached me. It
So
was great. Yeah, not only the big companies but the startups also. But after selecting in one company, you cannot be undergoing another company.
okay.
There is a limitation under it. Yeah, I got placed on two companies, Infosys and Sutherland. I am unable to and I attended one more interview, like in LNT. So I did not clear on that round. So that was my previous interview while before attending Infosys. So what are the mistakes I made? I rectified them in all the things, like speaking. What I've completed it, man.
Yeah, that's so amazing, bro. I feel like proud of you like getting placed in top
Yeah,
MNC companies in India. So, hey, bro, like, can I share a few tips for the upcoming freshman students who want to start their career and like getting placed in top MNC companies in India? So, can you share your experience and few tips for the students who want to start a career?
yeah. Before starting in any placement, we should ensure that we are having a laptop or desktop with ourselves, because the process will be totally virtual. Like we are all attending the interviews and online assessments in in laptops and desktops. So we have to ensure that we are having, because on the time of attending like interview, I did not have any laptop. So after that, only selecting only, I got a new laptop. So ensure that we are safe on the side, so that we can move next. We can move to next fleet. Okay. Yeah, it's great to start work under Infosys. Can I tell about it?
Yeah.
The training procedure. Yeah, it is great to understand, because we will be getting, after selecting, we will be around like 3 to 4 months of training. I am under training. There are some like rules, like limitations and privacy. So it was good. The training
So
was under, yeah.
signing part is online, or else you need to go for offline
Yeah,
camp.
yeah. If there is no like pandemic situation, like corona situation, we will be getting on like Mysore campus.
Fantastic, man. That's a
Yeah,
huge campus. Yeah.
it was great, but we missed that opportunity because of this COVID-19.
Yeah.
But it was okay in while attending in online. It was great.
Yeah. I feel bad for us. Mysore is like great campus. So I have
It
seen
was
some,
it was a great
even I went,
campus. I really miss that campus.
yeah.
But if I am getting an opportunity to visit Mysore, means I will definitely fly off to that.
Yeah, it's an amazing campus. So even I spent around 3 days over there. It's like a beautiful campus. So I feel
Yeah.
sad for it. So okay, it's fine. So okay, bro. Like, could you share few tips for the students? Like, any tips for the college students who want to get placed in Infosys? Like, few
Yeah.
tips.
I got this opportunity through placement only, but anyone can get through walk-in interview. We have to check the websites of Infosys, not only Infosys, like companies like TCS, Wipro, and then Accenture, TCS, sorry, CTS, Cognizant. Like the companies will be offering, like they are starting the virtual recruitment. So we need to get the informations when they are recruiting, when their process is starting. Like that, we have to understand all the things. We have to apply. Means we should not just like, we should not attend this company, that company, not like that. We have to attend all the companies, because not only Infosys, in any of the companies we can get selected. While trying only, we can get the
Yeah.
experience. We will rectify our mistakes, so that you can get. So my advice is that we have to attend all the interviews we are getting. We should not miss any interviews. So we should keep trying, because if we fed up while I did not got any got the job of we should not get fed up. We will be getting one day, so no need to worry. We have to just keep trying.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
awesome, bro. Like,
Yeah. One more thing is that wherever you go, the recruitment process will for like major companies like Infosys, TCS, Wipro, whatever the major companies, not only the major companies but the startups. The recruitment process is to wherever the company you go, like companies like Infosys, TCS, Wipro, whatever the company may be, the recruitment process will be around taking around 5 to 6 months. So you should be so patient while receiving the offer letters, whatever it may be. So one thing is that you should be patient. That's enough to score. And can I tell about my role, like package?
yeah, you can add, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
So,
For after completing the courses like BC and BSc, graduates will be getting a role like in Infosys. I'm telling about Infosys. Will be getting a role like operation executive. Uh, after the now I am getting a like operation executive training, under training. So after the successful completion of the training, we'll be under the delivery unit. On the allocation, on the time of allocation of the project only, we will know that whether we will be a tester or a support developer. We'll be under the control of system engineers.
okay.
That's the role of the operation executive. And yeah, that's about the operation executive role.
So it's a package, like, what are the package amount they're offering to?
Yeah, package is like 2.22 lakh. It's
Awesome, bro.
like after as a fresher, we will be getting, like after completion of the courses like BC and BSc, we will be getting like packages around 2 to 3 lakh per annum.
Yeah,
That's the that's the package, basic package for a fresher. It's what it is great.
Yeah, that's amazing, bro.
Yeah,
Thanks a lot for having you. Like it's like I
yeah.
need
It was a great. Yeah,
spending time with me and helping others to get placement in Infosys. Thanks a lot for you
yeah,
guys, for you, bro. Like would you like and like you would like to add any points? Let's end the video. Like if you want to add any
yeah,
points, you can add.
yeah. Kindly subscribe to Journey with JK, right? JK Giant. So like this video, comment this, and share this video. Okay. Kindly subscribe and hit a notification bell.
Yeah, thanks a lot, bro. So yes, guys,
Yeah,
about the experience of the Rahul. So he's a like best student I have seen observed in last few years. So he's been working hard. So like take suggestions from him. So I will be pinging his LinkedIn ID, email in description. You can like if you have any doubts, you can ask with him. So yes, guys, that's it for today's video. And like be safe, guys, as cases are increasing every day. Like wear your marks and like do vaccination as soon as possible. Take care of family, guys. Take care of yourself. That's it for today's video, guys. We meet you soon.
yeah. Bye.